Hello everyone. So today we'll be looking at how to use the camera and the book and quill items within the Minecraft Education Edition. So once again, make sure that you've created a world that is in a creative mood. Open up the items menu by pressing the E key, and the camera and book and quill items will be found under the items tab right here. So you have a camera and you also have the book and quill, and just drag them all out into the items menu. So right now, I'm holding the camera, and I can place the camera down by right-clicking it. Okay. So then I can use this camera to actually take a photo by right-clicking it, and it'll always face me to take a selfie. Okay, and you can see the photo being taken. So of course, this camera is a complementary item to the book and quill item here. So this book and quill items allows the user to actually log his journey within your world. So when he holds it and he right clicks on it, he can actually enter a new entry to log his journey in your world. Of course, besides entering text, you can also enter the photo taken by clicking on the pencil key right here and clicking on the add photograph option. So you can actually choose the photo that is just taken and add it within his book. After he complete logging his book and taking down notes of his journey in your world, he can actually sign off and create a new book title and close it. So once he closes it, this book is then fixed and cannot be edited again. So right clicking on this purple book will simply just allow users to view the book. Users can also export the book out of the game so that they can have a souvenir and something to remind them of the time in your game. So this book item is actually a good way to allow users to log the lessons learned when they enter and when they play your world, and also take away something unique created within your world.